I would like to say that from Miss K starting, I would like to emphasize on the fact that Miss K, if anything you do, why you're doing, Miss, you should have Miss proper why. The reason that you are doing something, you must have objective. That you are doing this work for that purpose. If you are doing anything Miss K and it has not Miss particular purpose, you are going to miss lose your interest in that thing. And anything that you do, you know that it's not going to be easy because it requires Miss efforts to put in. Especially something Miss that you are Miss K that matters to you, and it's not Miss easy for to it's not easy for you to do something. Like Miss nowadays for me these days, Miss I like to miss myself. Miss I want to miss K by alone. Miss I am just like Miss introvert person like, and I don't like to be with the friends and with people around me. And I'm Miss K happy when I am alone with myself. That's all. And obviously, you know that Miss always believe in your own potential. Don't depend on on anybody else. Miss don't be depend upon them because it's your own you, Miss, who is okay, responsible for your goals and your Miss your what I can say that your life. Miss K, what your future will be tomorrow is depends upon you what you do today. You today will make the difference for your tomorrow. If you are same as you today, you're not making any progress, means then nothing will happen. Means we believe that each day make a little bit progress so that you can see the better results in short period of time. You can compare yourself. Means if I was at that stage, after that amount of time I'm at that stage, that's great. That will be creating me a little bit difference. And you know that learning English is not very difficult. Means learn the English just like the language. Means English is just like means language. You know that what is the means of the language? Language is just to convey the messages. Means what you want to say to other people. That's the messages that we want to means convey. That are the language that help us to do this. So English is just like our mother tongue. So we should learn the English just like our language. Means as much that you will interact with people and use this language, that much you know that much means comfortness, natural that will become for you. And obviously, and I always say that if you don't use it, you will lose it. And make sure that you use this language every day, with whether you miss it's your friend, whether it's your means brother, means try to misuse this language by some means. And I really that these days that I'm using the platform that means for my learning my language is the miss quite miss a great app that is called the Real Life. And on the Real Life you can find miss every week there is a available a podcast that you can improve your listening skills also. And also you can miss have miss some flashcards miss to do the practice of vocabulary, that you can use these words in your daily conversations, that you don't feel miss stuck in your head and you don't think miss you do not have miss you don't have miss the words to what words I can use miss during the conversation with anybody else. You need to learn miss basic miss the key word chunks. It's a group of words that you can use. For example, like when you meet somebody, miss you say that okay, nice to meet you. And when you say that okay, miss ki also miss like miss it's my pleasure to meet with you. Like all these are miss the word chunks that you can use when you meet with the people. So learn the key basic means really I'm just miss learning this language. And I'm not miss so perfect, or it means I'm just an intermediate I can say that, or below than intermediate, but I'm still miss making the progress in this language. And obviously, and this app is one of the means you can base that I'm using these days. Means best part is that you can miss find anybody who can that you can do the speaking practice with that people, that guy, that friend, and you can create so many you can make so many friends on that application.